Hey friends, hope you're doing great. So you have only 9 days left for your RRB PO examination, and these days are going to be very crucial. So you need to spend these days very judicially. So I already made a plan regarding this, and you can go and watch that video. And for today's video, we are going to talk about some of the important things that you need to keep in mind before going for the examination, because these are the days usually when we lose motivation, when we feel tired from inside, and when we lose our confidence. So as I was an aspirant, so I can totally relate with you, and that's why I have made up this video for you today. So now let's start with the video. So for any banker or for any aspirant of a competitive examination, it's important that you have to write the dates left, or the number of days left for your examination, so that you can strike off the dates as the days goes on. So now coming to the main topic of today's video is that the points that we need to keep in mind before going for the examination. The first thing you need to know is that we usually do things that interest us, right? So for this examination, you must have a proper interest that should be from your side. It's not like a pressure that is being built up from your family or from your friends. So if you have interest, obviously you are going to crack this examination, and that's what you need to keep in mind. You don't have to lose your motivation regarding this. Now it's also important to clear that it is just an examination. So if you study, if you practice properly, obviously there is no any chance that you will not succeed in the examination. But if you are not studying properly, then obviously you are not going to crack this examination, and you cannot blame anyone else in the world, right? So this thing is just as simple as ABC. This is just an examination. You need to study for it, that's all. Now if you are losing confidence in this like 9 days or the few number of days that is left, so you need to imagine the person, or you need to talk with that person who is already in that position. I mean to say, if you are preparing for RRB PO, then you need to connect with someone who is already doing the job, so that you get some motivation. So search for a helpful person who is willing to help you in these days, as of like saying how much that person studied, or what are the criteria that he used to follow for the examination, right? So this is the third point. The fourth point is that you don't have to waste time after cutoffs. Means most of us have the habit of watching videos regarding cutoffs, number of vacancies just before the examination. So this is just going to limit your powers, so you are limitless, okay? And if you once see the cutoff, then it is like you are pulling yourself down. So you will score more than the cutoff regardless of what is being shown in the video, right? Next is that previous year question. So in the last video I already said that you need to practice the previous year questions just before 3 days, but I know your mind, so maybe you want to see the previous year questions from now itself. So there is no harm in solving the questions from now, but then don't forget to revise them once again just before your examination, just 3 days before your examination, right? And then never get tired. So you don't have to get tired, because you are going to get your dream job, you're working on it, so you cannot get tired. It's not because I am saying that you don't have to get tired, it's just it comes naturally. So you will never feel tired if you are doing what you are liking, right? And there is no specific study hours for these 9 days. You have to study as much as you can for 12 hours, 13 hours. So how much you study, the better will be the future. That's what I can say now. Thank you.